Hello and assalamu alaikum to the ones who are listening to me. Welcome back to another exciting episode of the Candid Hour. This is your host Wanya Shirazi. Here I am today with a new theme and a new episode. Today we have a very special guest with us. That's my 7 years old niece, Fatima Heather. Hello Fatima.
Hello.
Say hello to the viewers.
Hello.
How are you, Fatima?
Fine. Thank you.
That's my player. Okay, Fatima. Before we start, let's get a little introduction of you. Fatima, introduce yourself, please.
My name is Fatima Heather Shirazi and I am 8 years old.
All right.
I'm in 3 class
Okay.
and my class section is orange.
Okay.
First it was green but now it's orange
All right.
because of Nukba.
Okay.
Because of Nukba I've changed my section.
Oh my God! What a
First-
friendship.
It was 3 green but Nukba was in 3 orange.
Okay.
So she said me to come in 3 orange and I came in 3 orange.
Oh my God.
Different-
So Fatima, what's up? What's going on? How was the school?
Very fun.
It was fun.
Yes.
How you had fun? What you did at school?
We played games and we did art.
Oh
we
my
did
God.
music.
And
We did art. We did music and we did games. And we had so much fun during PSHE lesson.
oh my God, what is PHSI? Whatever it is, what's that lesson? I don't know about that.
PSHE.
Okay, what's that?
PSHE is a lesson.
Okay, it's a lesson, alright. Okay, Fatima, so what do you want to talk about today?
Your choice.
My choice, but yesterday when I asked you that we will have a podcast and we have to talk about, you suggested some topic. What was that?
Coronavirus.
Yeah, coronavirus. I asked Fatima, we will have a podcast and I want you to be with me. And I said that what topic we will talk about. And she said that we'll talk about coronavirus, how corona has impacted our lives, that our children just want to talk about it. Like, this is the topic that comes in their mind. Okay, Fatima, what do you know about coronavirus?
In coronavirus, we should wear mask
Alright.
and use sanitizer.
Alright.
When someone is coughing or
Sneezing.
sneezing, we should not be with him, sit with him.
Okay, we should not sit with them. Okay. Yeah, there's the precautions of coronavirus. Fatima, do you miss life before coronavirus or this life? You like it
I-
more? Which life you like more?
I like the life before
You like the life before. Why is that?
because we ate so many junk food
Oh my God, you miss that?
and
You can eat whatever you wanna eat. You can go wherever you want to go. And what more?
and we had games and we don't have to sit.
All the time in the class. Yeah, man. I also missed life before coronavirus. Like, we could go anywhere and, do the stuff, whatever we want to do. It has impacted our life, but it has brought us together. Like, we are more closer. You are spending more time with the family. Do you like online classes?
Yes.
You like them? How were they? I had my online classes, but I couldn't get anything from them. How were they? Like, you liked them?
We read about
What?
past verbs and adjectives.
Alright, in the online classes you studied that.
Yes, and now we don't
You don't remember those? So they were good. They were not that
And
good.
now we don't
Remember
take
what?
online classes.
Yeah, now your school has opened, but you follow SOPs, right?
Yes.
All right. Yeah. So you go 3 days a week to school.
No. We have to go Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Wednesday.
4 days a week. All right. No, 3 days a week, Fatima.
Now we will go every day.
Okay, the school has changed the schedule.
Only
Alright.
Friday we will not go.
Okay. But know that you get off time quick. Like, you don't have any breaks in the school though? Like, no break time? But you can't go out of the classroom, right? You have to stay in the classroom.
And the canteen is.
Close. Oh my god.
I missed to eat shawarma.
Oh, you missed eating shawarma. That was your favorite food. Uh-huh. I also like it. Like, I love the sauce in it. Alright. So, do your friends come? All the friends come, but they have different groups, right?
All the friends come, and those are my friends are in group A.
And you are also in group A? Alright, so you all are together. But Fatima, during those days when you were at home and you were taking the online classes, you couldn't meet your friends. Did you miss them?
Yes.
Alright. Fatima's just like, she's like shaking her head. It's an audio recording. It's not a video, Fatima. You have to say, not by the expressions or the gestures, you have to say, okay? Which friend you missed the most?
I missed Nukba.
Nukba, she misses you the most. If your other friends would listen to it, they would get, they will get angry. They would be like, she don't misses her, huh? Then what will you do? Would they get angry? Then what will you do?
I will
Yeah.
not go to school.
They will stop going to school if they get angry with you. No, you should not stop going to school, whatever the reason is.
Then I will.
You just say that you miss all of your friends. Do you miss them?
Yes.
You miss all of your friends, but you miss Nukba more, right? Okay, that's cool. Okay, Fatima wants to share a joke. Yes, Fatima, you can share.
In Friday, we not go because in Friday the day is fry and there is fire all the way.
Okay, so that's why you don't go to school on Fridays, right? All right. Okay, Fatima, anything else you want to talk about?
We should talk about
About what?
the
What?
things that passed.
The things that have passed? We should talk about that we should talk about the past?
Yes.
Okay, what about past you want to talk?
I want to talk about past. That in past we are carefully going to school. In Friday.
In the past you were going to school on Fridays,
Yes.
but now you don't go on Fridays? Okay, yeah, that's a difference. Okay, Fatima, do you have something more to share?
Now it's your turn to tell.
Okay, you can ask me something and I can tell that.
I should ask you that when coronavirus was not in
Yeah,
the city,
yeah.
what did you do?
My life didn't change as such. Actually, I was at home before. I wasn't going to any university or any place, but somehow it changed that I couldn't go anywhere, like at our relatives or at the village, and couldn't hang out. So that's what I miss. Otherwise my life was quite same. Yeah, but when we had a lockdown at our place, that really disturbed me. Like we followed
And you didn't.
during that lockdown, even we couldn't go to your place or you couldn't come to our place. I miss you people at that time, so that was horrible. Otherwise it was quite same.
Yes.
Yeah.
Why?
What?
Why do now you don't go
Fear.
in our house?
Because you guys are at our place, then why would I go to your house? Okay.
Means we should take precautions of coronavirus?
Okay, why we should take the precautions for the safety measures for corona? Actually, if we won't get it, we would get infected, and we will not only harm ourselves, but our people will also get harmed from us, like our relatives, our close ones, our friends, and it makes you sick. Even some people lose their lives in that. So that's why we should have to take the safety measures. Fatma, do you know my podcast name, by the way?
Yes, the Candid Tower.
Yeah, did you saw it?
Yes.
You liked it?
Times.
Oh my god, did you like it?
Yes, I loved it.
Oh my god, thank you so much. Fatma, then please say to the viewers to subscribe our channel. Say them.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and like it.
Now Fatima has said that, so you people have to subscribe it, okay? And don't forget to leave your remarks in the comment section. And if you want Fatima to be in our next podcast, so do comment. Thank you so much for listening. We'll meet you people in the next episode of the podcast. अपना ख्याल रखिए. मैं चलती हूँ. Allah Hafiz.